I did it. I finished the 20 pages that I broke in the Break the Blank page 10 New Ways. I'll put a link to that video in the iCards. It's in the top right hand corner. There should be an eye, and if it's not, hover over it. That'll give you the link to the video where I break these pages. So I've organized the pages by the way that I've broken them to do the flip through. So the first 2 pages, we collaged clothing tags on there. And you can see the outline of the clothing tags, and you can bring that out as little or as much as you want. This one you can see the tags a lot more predominantly. Now when you break the blank page, that is simply the first step. It's to get over that hump. It's to give you an idea or a direction for the rest of the page. These ones, we collaged brown paper bag onto the page. So we've done this one where it looks like faux leather, and this where it looks like branches, weathered wood. The next 2 we broke the page using the salt technique. And you can see that it gives that interesting texture that's there. Here I played with 3D butterfly. Can you see the salt texture? That was after our trip to Tofino. The next 2 we either stenciled with gel medium or stamped with it. That gives kind of a resist. This one was stamped with gel medium, and it doesn't really show up. It's a very, very subtle texture. These pages were started by using the smooshing technique. Now these art journal pages will go into my old recipe binder. These are old recipe sheets that's kind of like tag board that work perfectly for art journaling. So they'll go back into the binder. This is the second one where we started the page with smooshing. Love the vibrancy of these colors. If you're looking for all the techniques that I've used in this video, Break the Blank Page, and the other one, the first one, they are all in my prompt and process cards that you can use to flip through and give you your second or third or fifth step. This one, we use drywall tape. That's glued on right there. Love this page. That's such a cute napkin. And this one, we have the drywall tape glued on, but we also used it as a stencil. I keep my art journal pages close. If I'm looking for inspiration, I flip through it. Maybe it's a color scheme that I like. Maybe it's a technique that I wanted to do. On these ones, I've applied paint using a key card or a palette knife. You just kind of scraped it on. That gives the base coat of color, and then what you do afterwards. In the playlist, Break the Blank Page 2, you can see me transform, take the broken page, and do all the next steps. Tutorials for all of these pages will be in that same playlist. This one, started by removing paint through a stencil, which is a great technique. Love the white stamping on top. This is something I need to do more of. This one also, removing paint through a stencil. This page was started by spraying through a stencil. Love the soft muted colors of this one. And this one again, another spray. This one I collage sentiments into the background. And this one, I broke the page by using ischemic writing or scribble writing. I've got close-ups of the broken page after the first layer and pictures of where they went. It doesn't matter where you start, it's where you end up that matters.